Now Augustine is trying to play and fly the drone for the first time. So Augustine, you better take care of my baby. Alright. So let's see if Augustine can be a good pilot. So everyone at Jinja right there. This is Augustine trying to fly it. What's happening, brother? What's happening? I think you should send it back. Back, not forward. Can you bring the drone to fly higher and farther? There you go, it's up in the air. Can you bring it to some direction perhaps, Augustine? That's a kite. And then down. So there it goes, Augustine's first drone flight.
I can't forget that day. It was so much fun learning how to fly an aircraft. It looks simple, like it's a toy, but it's a huge thing and experience. It was great to see the aircraft up there in the sky. Even though the skies were so bright, but I loved it, and every time I remember those memories, I miss Zanzibar. I just say, oh,
there it is, up there.
When am I going back to Zanzibar? So it was fun. We really had a great time with Paul to see the aircraft disappear and come back. And
now it's starting to descend. There you go. There you go. It's getting closer and closer. What are you doing? It looks like that drone has gone loco. Here it is. Do you want to catch it? Or do you want me to catch it?
wait, I want to put it
On the bed.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's see if Oxygen can make a good landing on this one. Side. A little forward. Yes. And you descend it slowly. Yes. That's too far. Someone's parasailing, guys. There. Someone's parasailing.
wametokea mbali.